Hello and welcome. If you've ever felt that little flutter of nerves when you think about ordering food in English, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to arm you with some simple, polite phrases so you can walk into any restaurant and order like a pro. Let's dive right in.
Ever had that moment, you open a menu in English and your mind just goes blank? Trust me, you are not alone in feeling that way. But the good news is, with just a few key phrases, we can turn that feeling of anxiety into a really smooth and, honestly, fun experience.
So, first up, let's talk about confidence. Here's the secret. In English, a huge part of sounding confident is actually just being polite. It's not just about being nice, it's about sounding natural and fluent. You'll see how tiny little changes to your sentences make a world of difference. Okay, take a look at this. On the left, give me water. Now, it gets the job done, sure, but in English, it can sound like a command, a little bit rude. We tend to soften our requests. So the polite, totally normal way is on the right. Could I get some water, please? It just sounds so much friendlier. Here's another one to watch out for. I want. So saying I want the pizza is grammatically okay, but it's just really direct. You will almost never hear a native speaker order their food that way. The trick is to swap I want for something a little softer. And here it is, the perfect replacement. I'd like. It's just a short, easy way of saying I would like, and it is the #1 go-to phrase for ordering. I'd like the pasta, please. See? Polite, natural, and you instantly sound more comfortable speaking English. Okay, so you've just walked into the restaurant. First things first, you need a table. And don't worry, this part is an absolute piece of cake once you know the magic phrase. And here it is. Simple, clear, and perfectly polite. A table for 2, please. And the best part? You just change the number. A table for 4, please. A table for 1, please. It works every single time. Now, what if they ask you first? The host might greet you with, "How many people?" Here are a few super simple ways to answer. You can say, "2 people, please," or even, "There are 4 of us." All of these are great natural options. All right, you're in. You've got your table, you're looking at the menu. Now for the main event, ordering your food. This is where those polite phrases we just learned are really going to shine. Think of these as your 3 main tools for ordering. You've got options. They all mean the exact same thing, so you can just pick whichever one feels the most comfortable for you to say. I'd like the pasta, can I have the chicken curry, or I'll take the beef burger. All of them are perfect. But hey, what happens if you just can't decide what to get? This is a great opportunity to interact. You can just ask your server, "What do you recommend?" or "What's today's special?" It's a really friendly way to get some help and, maybe you'll discover your new favorite dish.
Okay, let's talk about something that's really important, especially for your health and comfort. We need to know how to communicate any dietary needs, like allergies or if you follow a specific diet. Being clear here is absolutely crucial.
Here are the phrases you absolutely need to know. You can just state your situation very simply, "I'm allergic to peanuts," or "I'm vegetarian." You can also ask for a dish to be changed, like, "Can you make it without cheese?" These are your best tools for getting a meal that's safe and delicious for you. Now, if you have a serious allergy, you really want to make that clear. After you say, "I'm allergic to peanuts," you can add, "It's dangerous for me." This isn't about being dramatic, it's about being safe. It helps the kitchen staff understand just how careful they need to be. And if you're ever unsure about what's in a dish, please just ask. It is totally normal to ask questions like, "Does this have nuts in it?" or "Is this made with milk?" It is always better to ask and be safe. You've had an amazing meal, you're full, you're happy, and now it's time to take care of that final step, paying the bill. And just like ordering, there's a simple, polite way to do it. So here's a big don't. Try to avoid just shouting, "Bill," or "Check" across the room. The full, polite phrase is, "Could I have the bill, please?" It works every time. And keep this in mind. In a lot of English-speaking countries, the server won't bring the bill until you actually ask for it.
And hey, here's a fun little travel hack for you. While you'll be understood anywhere, there is a small difference. In the UK and much of the Commonwealth, you'll hear the bill. But in the United States, it's much more common to ask for the check. It's a cool little detail to remember.
So they've brought the bill. You might still have a few questions, right? Like, do you take credit card? Or maybe you're with friends and need to ask, "Can we pay separately?" It's also really useful to ask, "Is service included?" to know if you need to leave a tip. Phew! We have covered a lot of ground.
So let's do a super quick recap of the most important swaps you can make to sound confident and natural.
This slide is perfect. Seriously, you might want to take a screenshot of this one. It shows you the common mistakes on the left and the easy polite fix on the right. So swap give me for could I get. Instead of I want, you'll say I'd like. And to get someone's attention, never waiter. Always a polite excuse me. This is your cheat sheet.
And finally, through all of this, let's not forget the most powerful phrase in any language, a simple, sincere thank you. It goes such a long way. Saying it when your food arrives or when you're leaving, it just makes everything better and shows your appreciation.
And that's it. You've got the tools. You are totally equipped with the key phrases you need to order food confidently in English. So the only question left is, what amazing meal are you going to order on your next adventure? You've got this.